How to fix Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing. So it may be because the feature is not available on your account yet, but if it was showing beforehand, then of course that's not gonna be the problem. So make sure your app is not outdated. Your Instagram change the friends or reels layout could be a possibility, and the feature is usually limited to eligible public reels and mutual friends activity. So it will not show every single reel your friends like. So first of all, you can go ahead and update your Instagram from the Play Store or App Store. So go ahead here to your Play Store, of course, and just search for Instagram. Inside Instagram, you will find this, and make sure there's no update option. If there is, of course, just press an update. Another thing you can do is to restart your app and your phone. So go ahead and hold on the power button for a bit, and then you'll have the reboot or restart option. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Glitches may happen if you're lagging or your internet is not being stable, so you can switch between mobile data or Wi-Fi to see if that is the problem. Another thing you can do is to go ahead into your device settings, go ahead into your apps, and from here, you're gonna have to search for the Instagram app. Inside Instagram, go ahead to the bottom right corner and press on clear data, then just go ahead and press on clear cache. And one last thing you can do is to go ahead and switch accounts. So if you have another Instagram account and if it appears there but not on your main account, it's probably going to be account side rollout. So if it still doesn't show, there may be no manual fix, since Instagram often tests features by account, region, and app version, so you may need to wait until it gets enabled again if it was for your account. Also, if your friends hide activity and don't interact much with reels, or the like reel is not eligible, then that liked by friends label may not appear, since there wouldn't be anything to exist in the first place. But that's pretty much some things you can put in mind if this is happening. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.